Today we are going to talk about the Verto Marketplace. So the Verto Marketplace allows businesses that are registered on Verto to trade or to exchange currencies at their own rate. That means that businesses can get the most out of Verto and can truly benefit from Verto being a true marketplace where businesses can actually create their own rates. So when creating a marketplace, there are two things you have to do. So the first one is to obviously create a rate for the businesses, for other businesses, and to accept and negotiate other businesses' rates. So we are going to start with the first one, and I'm going to show you how to create your own exchange rate. So we start with this narration, assuming you're at the Verto dashboard once you are logged in. So what do you want to do today? I want to not send money at Verto rate, but send money at the desired rate. So the system is going to ask you which currencies you have, the amount and the rate. So for me, I'm going to say that I have US dollars and I'm trying to acquire Kenya shillings. And I have $1 million or $1,001. And I want my exchange rate to be 135.5 Kenya shillings for every dollar that I have. And I'm going to put an expiry date of end of this week. And I'm going to submit that to the marketplace. So what I've just done is I've sent an order to the marketplace, and other market players or other businesses that are registered on Verto are going to get a notification, or they can see that trade in the marketplace. So I'll just come and inspect my trade again at desired rate, and also notice that you can also create the same deal here or the same exchange rate here or here. And you can also just click on this icon and kind of see how the Verto marketplace works to understand further. So this is the deal that I just created, $1,001. Obviously, no one has accepted. Nobody has bid on it yet because I've just placed it. But that is the first step. The second step is where we go to the marketplace and we see what others have posted. So in the marketplace, I see that there's a business that is trying to sell INR for Australian dollars. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to see how much they are selling at, and I'm going to accept and transfer. So in accept and transfer, it means that I have the full amount and I'm okay with the exchange rate, and I'm going to deliver this currency to the last decimal point, and ideally both parties are going to be happy. So this follows the normal process that you do on Verto, where we would give you our bank details with a unique reference number, and once you have delivered the funds, once you've made the payment, you're supposed to come back on the platform and put in your bank name and submit. So Verto makes sure that both parties deliver funds before we complete the order. That way you don't have to worry about the other party defaulting, or at least your money is safe. So that is how you accept an order. So the second step in accepting is where you'd want to negotiate a rate. So I'm going to go to the next deal that I didn't accept, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to inspect and say that, I have this much in pounds, and I want to trade at this, rate. So you notice that this negotiate button is inactive. So for me to activate it, I'm just going to come and edit either the amount or the exchange rate, whichever you prefer. And it's going to activate this negotiate button, and I'm going to click on negotiate. So what happens here is that I was not happy with the amount, or maybe the rate, or maybe I did not have the full amount. And I'm going to send that message over to the one who had placed the order. And he's going to get a notification. And if he's happy with my bid, he is going to accept it. And I'm going to get a notification that my bid has been accepted, and I'm required to transfer the funds. So that is the easy way of creating your own exchange rate. And I hope from there you can see why Verto is a true currency marketplace for cross-border payments.